Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a EDC Pig-X slider here with me for a review. But as usual, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. You can check out Fablades.com if you like this fella, because we have some in stock of these guys. So yeah, don't waste your time, because these are limited edition and are not going to last that much. So let's go ahead and do a little bit of unboxing. For that fella, I think we gotta bring in something special to get this thing open right in the right way, because I like this sticker very much. So I'm just gonna use this fancy knife just to show you off this Lambert Augustus. By the way, I mean, check it out, it's just gorgeous. But anyways, we are here to chat about this guy over here, which we have kinda, because I don't want to ruin it. There you go. So very cool packaging with this sticker right over here, which I'm gonna promptly attach on my case. Right over here you have plastic case. You have this guy right over here, so this thing can go. All right. And inside you have this beautifully done EDC 42 Cosmo collaboration clicker slider in zirconium. Guys, I really love the design of this one. Anyways, let's start checking the size. You get 35, let's say, millimeters and 18 millimeters for the height of this guy. Let's measure the weight because it's quite substantial. It's not, let me see if this is zeroed, and here you get 82.2 grams. So it's not super light. There's a little bit of heft to it, but it's gorgeously sized. Just to give you some perspective, some other Zirc goodnesses, this is the Tom EDC Mahjong slider. Right over here you get the AC EDC Gamer slider. This is the Black Mirror Design Hot Dog slider. It's a chunky one. Contra by AC EDC, another fantastic slider. Love this guy right over here. Another slider, what is it? Like the Milkia from AC/DC, another Grail right over here. Mackie, that's the CP3, I believe, and here you get the Chenyu Battle Shield, another fantastic one. This is available on the website, by the way. And what else? You get another CP2 for Maki. But anyways, you get this guy. But I'm not here to talk about these fellas. We are here to chat about this gorgeously made one. You can get this in several materials. There's even one in superconductor and crystallized titanium. Guys, this is bonkers. I'm okay with the Zirc one. I love this fella. It's, of course, like my ear, like this, like, rocker here is just fantastic because sounds beautiful, it's very pleasant to the touch, has a nice haptic feedback to it. It's like a classic light switch, beautifully pressed, nice feedback. And on this side you have the slider capability, right? So this is hinged, as you can see, at the center right there. And it's just sliding in this direction and in this direction, all right? So like a cross. Of course, it rotates as well in any position. So you can rotate it in the center like that, or to the side. So the side is gonna rotate like that, here is gonna rotate like that. So basically you just hold this in your hand. You can click it away like that, or like that. So you just hold it like this. This guy, you can just slide right there and rotate. And at the same time, when it goes back, you can just switch to the click function. So really love when the makers are putting the efforts to put together something that has a multi-fidget capability, like in this one, slider and clicker. It's pretty attractive to me. Like in this case, for example, AC EDC, it's a spinner, right? And it's also a haptic. I really appreciate the haptic and slider combined into one, and here we have it. Here we have like a clicker and a slider combined in a very nice shape, very cool form. This is a home run. I love this fella. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.